There's something quietly impressive happening on YouTube right now. Small channels, some with fewer than 10,000 subscribers, are pulling in income that would make most full-time employees raise their eyebrows. We're talking 5 figures per month from simple videos, no expensive gear, no fame, and no need to show your face. This isn't about going viral. It's not about chasing trends or hoping for a lucky break. It's about building something that works whether you're sleeping, out for a walk, or working on your next idea. Let's look at the structure these smaller channels are using to make that kind of income without traditional influencers, audiences, or sponsorships. The key is repeatable systems, automation, and using content to drive traffic to digital products or affiliate links. Start with this. Most people think YouTube income comes from ads, and yes, some of it does, but here's the truth. Ads are just one of many income streams. The smart creators are stacking income from several places. Think of YouTube as a machine that brings attention. That attention flows to multiple places: affiliate programs, online courses, downloadable resources, coaching, email lists, and more. Take a Faceless channel that reviews AI tools. A single video might get 50,000 views. Out of those viewers, maybe 500 click a link in the description. If just 30 of them buy a $49 product, that's over $1,400 just from one video. Repeat that process weekly and the income stacks up. The best part, the work is front-loaded. Create the content once, write a good script, record the voiceover, use simple software to generate the visuals, upload, then it works in the background while you move on to the next one. Alright, let's talk topics. Niches like AI tools, side hustles, automation, and digital products, these tend to attract people who are, ready to buy. They're out there actively searching for solutions. And if you make a clear, helpful video that compares 2 tools, explains a strategy, or shows how to make something easier or faster, people listen. And more importantly, they click. This is where Faceless YouTube channels really shine. You can use AI-generated voices or voiceovers from freelancers. Super convenient. B-roll and stock footage totally work. You don't need to film yourself at all. The key is keeping people watching. That means fast pacing, clear information, strong visuals, and titles that make people curious. Now let's walk through a format that consistently works. Start with a strong hook. Within the first 5 seconds, show people what they'll get. Don't start slow, don't warm up. Just hit them with the value right away. Next, break down the concept. Show examples. Add overlays, charts, or clips that match what you're saying. Visuals matter more than most people think. Then comes the action piece. What should the viewer do after watching? That could be trying a tool, visiting a link, or grabbing a resource. Don't overcomplicate it, just be clear and direct. Finally, finish with something that teases the next video or encourages them to subscribe. So, let's say you're making a video about 5 AI tools that replace freelancers. You'd kick things off with something like, businesses are now replacing $2,000 per month freelancers with these tools, and it's not slowing down. That kind of line grabs attention right away. Then you go tool by tool, show what each one does, explain who it's for, and definitely include a link to the tool in your video description. Try to use affiliate programs that offer recurring commissions whenever you can. That way, if someone signs up once, you keep getting paid every single month they stick around. A lot of software platforms do this, especially in the AI and productivity space. Next up, think about stacking your content. That means using shorts, community posts, and long-form videos that all support the same message. Like if your long video explains a full system, make a short that highlights just one tool from it. Use that short to tease the long video. Then, in the long video, guide viewers toward your product or affiliate link. Now here's the part that most creators totally overlook. Build an email list. Use tools like Gumroad, ConvertKit, or Beehive to offer something free. Maybe a checklist, a starter guide, whatever makes sense for your niche. That email list becomes your safety net. Algorithms might shift, views can drop, but your email subscribers, they're yours. And every time you release a new video, you can send it straight to their inbox. Alright, let's talk tools. If you want to make these kinds of videos quickly, consider using platforms like InVideo AI, Pictory, or Videos. You just paste your script, pick your visuals, and let the tool handle the editing. Super simple. Now, if you'd rather work with a freelancer, head over to Fiverr or Upwork. You can find editors, voiceover artists, thumbnail designers, basically everything you need. Focus your energy on writing the script and testing ideas. That's really where your leverage comes from. So now let's talk about traffic. YouTube search is definitely powerful, but don't sleep on YouTube's homepage and suggested video system. That's where the real views come from. To trigger that, you need 3 things: a strong title, a high click-through rate, and a high average view duration. If your title's flat, nobody's gonna click. If your first 30 seconds are weak, people bounce. But if they stick around, YouTube shows your video to more people. Here's a little trick. Use VidIQ or TubeBuddy to see what similar channels are doing. Study their titles and thumbnails. Don't just copy, improve. Like if their title is 5 AI tools for side hustles, try something like these 5 AI tools make side hustles way easier, no experience needed. Make it emotional, make it visual, and yeah, test different versions. Finally, stay consistent. Upload at least once a week. Twice is even better. Mix in long-form content with shorts. And hey, don't expect instant results. Most of the channels making thousands each month now, they really struggled at first. But once a few videos hit, the floodgates opened. So, if you're looking at YouTube as a way to build freedom, this is honestly one of the most practical, scalable paths out there. You don't need to be famous. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a system that keeps working while you move on to the next piece of content. If you want some tools to help you get there, check the description. We've linked a bunch of resources to help you build faster. Thanks for watching Remote Rich's Radar. Catch you in the next one.